friend of ours, her husband passed away many years ago. She's tried to drive it every so often, but lately been having a little trouble with her hips. She asked me if I'd drive it, so I'm going to take it to the lumber yard. You can see it's a bit on the dirty side, so I just thought I'd bring it over here and wash it first. She said the wiper blades were rotted out on it, so I'm going to make a trip by the parts store and get some new wiper blades and put on it too. I thought y'all'd get a kick out of seeing it. I bet it's a pretty truck underneath all that green pollen. Let's wash it and we'll see.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, Hey Daisy, you come out to watch? Well, she looks a lot better than she did. I'm going to take this to the yard, bring back a few pieces. Charlie! Well, some of that stuff, you see how it's still on the hood? I've washed that about 3 times. It's still on the hood and on the windshield. Huh? I think I'll just wash that hood again and the windshield again. Okay then. She looks a bit better. Not exactly a glass slipper, but you know what? Good enough. Maybe I could back it over and get some of this crap out of the back of it. I think I will. Got a couple 100,000 miles on it. She's
talking about wanting to sell it. I guess I'll see what I think about it after I drive it today. I don't plan to buy a truck because I got one coming from Rusty. I got another one up in Maine to get rid of, but well, I'd be curious. So I took the old Chevy to the lumber store. It hauls a lot of lumber very well.